How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, what can I say? I'm going to try to keep this very quick. It's Friday evening. What time is it? 25 to 6. But hey, all I'll say to you is this. All my plans this week, one day after another, kept getting knocked back and never materialised. Had big plans. I was doing a couple of films. This is one of the photographs. I'm going to be making that for next week. I'll touch base with it. But even making this here, because the cameras weren't working, the mics weren't working, the mixer wasn't working, and getting a bit frustrated, and I started doing this here, and even this wasn't working, couldn't get the audio. So I'm going to keep this very quick, because I want to get it edited and get it up. Just thanks so much for all your love and support on the other video and on the channel. I really appreciate it. I hope this finds you safe and well, and fit and well, and enjoying life, and getting ready for this weekend. Happy days are here again. So I'm going to keep this quick. As I say, my apologies. This photograph here is going to be part of a video that is going to be talking about changing your perception. In other words, like, rather than just taking a photograph, creating a photograph, looking for a photograph. So I'll do that for next week. I'm just going to take a break from the internet. Also, trying to get this mixer sorted out. All I'll say is this. I'm really excited about it, but my head is fried. Thanks so much for all your comments, by the way, and advice. Taking it all on board. But you know what? This weekend, just going to step back from it all. I don't even think I'm going to look at the computer, I have to say. I'm going to spend some quality time with the love of my life, Sheena Blakeney, Mrs. Truffleopicus Vegan Yums, my fiancée, and the boys, Gonzo, Thimble, and of course, Mr. Mogg. So guys, listen, have a fantastic weekend. Send you love. The podcast thing, when I get this mixer sorted out, I think it's going to be fantastic. Or me being a big head, I'm really excited about it because so many plans. Just this here's a nightmare. I'm waiting on a few items to come, lights and things like that. Also leads, insulation, etc. With a post or some stuff I'm waiting 3 weeks on. So anyway, listen, that's me rambling. Guys, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.